And all the things that you guys have talked about, although I'm a third world country and you're first world, I thought, why am I going to this American thing? They don't know nothing about my issues. But we all have the same issues. And as a small firm for 21 years, lots of things I've heard today, I've been through them. I've nurtured small firms in my country. I teach there. The benefit of having a small firm is that you're never limited by what you do, because you do everything.
Why should you become a member of the Small Firm Exchange for your state? My name is Darguin Fortuna, and I am a registered architect based out of Salem, Massachusetts. I own a small firm, and I learned about the Small Firm Exchange group, a group of individuals from all across the country that meets and discusses topics of interest for small firms, topics that we all care about, or concerns and the things that we care about. When I learned about it, I was super excited, and I decided to become a part of it. One, because I want to represent the diversity that comes with me, opening the doors to others like me within the industry that probably don't know that we exist, so that we can amplify our voices and be heard. So as a Small Firm Exchange board member for the state of Massachusetts, I'm able to hear everyone from all of these other states and contribute to the conversation. Small firms represent the majority of the firms within the United States. So why shouldn't our voices be heard, and why shouldn't our voices be amplified? Our concerns are legit, strong, and important concerns. So within the AIA, ISFX, I'm able to work within one of the committees, the outreach committee, sharing and disseminating the content that we have and the resources that actually exist. I encourage you to become a part of the SFX group. You can represent your local state now that we have state representatives across the country. And by doing so, you're gonna get closer to the bigger picture, which is what we do nationally and what we do and the impact that what we do makes across the board. Thank you so much.
Welcome to Flow Design Architects, a company that works with you and for you.